So the question is, how do we catch ourselves spinning around the symptom? That's what I mean about just pausing momentarily for a second and just trying to see the bigger picture. Okay, because realize what a client is telling us lacks detail. Okay, and that's where you can start to form your own conclusions. Now, will you be able to do this after a 2 or 3 day training? Absolutely not. After 10 or 20 practice sessions with students, you'll get remarkably good at it. So the first step is to catch yourself that you are spinning around the symptom. If you can do that, you're ahead of the bunch, because people ignore that. And it's a very easy sort of road to fall down. Once you're there, it's sort of like starting the conversation again. Can I take the conversation in a different direction? Can I ask them instead how they're feeling? So instead of talking with questions, can I connect them to some sort of feeling? It sort of restarts that conversation, okay? But the more advanced version is, can I see a caricature of the whole thing? And then you form that conclusion, you test it. Always have to test your conclusions, and your client's either going to go, oh my God, how did you know that? Or they're going to say, no, that's not it. Okay. But trust me, spinning around the conclusion, I spent years doing that. I couldn't grasp it. I couldn't work it out till I started to see the broad brushstrokes of what was really going on. So catch yourself first. That's the most important thing. Okay. And over time, you'll get creative with your questions. When you're trying to formulate the right question, it won't happen. It's very difficult. But when you trust unconsciously that whatever I need to ask will come up, you don't even have to do the sessions anymore. That's why I don't get tired, because it's not me doing it. It's the other me. And that's a way better way to do it. Does that help for now, Lani? You will see some more demos of this, but catching yourself, that's the main thing. Okay.